What is up, everybody? It's me, T-Dog here. If you guys are new, hit the subscribe button, put notification, also leave an epic like. So today we are going to be reviewing, we are going to be reviewing the X.B.G BB gun. So let's get right started to this epic review. So of course, we got the gun right here. We got the beauty. Check out the beauty right here, y'all. Yes, this is what we're reviewing. We got the magazine right here, and so boom. We got the safety fire. That is fire. That is safety. We're gonna be trying this out at the range. Here's the clip. We got, this is CO2. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a very high quality of air right here, y'all. CO2 right here. You unscrew this, put it in here, right here at the back, y'all. You unscrew it, put it in here, and yeah. We got the bullets right here, y'all. The bullets. The Daisy, BB. Yep. Yeah. If your magazine is broken, you want to get the 177. Y'all want to get the 177 magazine. It works perfectly. Yeah, so let me show you guys how to load this. How you load X.B.G gun. So you see this little thing right here. You click it all the way to the bottom, right? You put it like this. Put it like this, y'all. Lay it on the table. And then you grab some BB in your hand. And you load it in. The key is you're loading it in backwards. You don't want to do it like this. You want to do it like this. You want to load it in backwards, y'all. For me, it's easy. And it's going to work. Alright, now, when you get done epic reloading this epic magazine, y'all, so you want to carefully hold this, hold it. You want to click this, push this little button up, and you want to carefully drag it up. Now, you load it in the magazine, in the gun, magazine in the gun, and start epic firing. So, let's go and test out the firing. Have a big property, and you don't want to go to a shooting range. Just y'all can do it in the backyard. So, yeah. Now, let's try it. Yes, that is how you epic firing. Let's go check out the damage, and yeah. Alright, y'all. So here is the damage, y'all. We shot at this target. This is pretty dang good. I'll say pretty good. Problem is, when you're shooting this goes straight through it. It's thinking full BBs, y'all. All full BBs on the fence.
That's a lot of damage!
If you guys like this epic video, please leave an epic like, y'all. There's gonna be more videos on this gun. The how-to video is gonna be up. Yeah, so get ready for more epic, cool, awesome videos with this. Leave an epic like if you guys are new to this epic channel. I do epic, crazy, awesome stuff, y'all. And yeah, peace out, everybody. Bye.